How to create timeline chart in Excel. This is a follow-up discussion on data visualization series, part 8. First, we need to have at least two columns. One is date and project phase, like define, measure, analyze. I have taken Six Sigma as a phase. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control, DMAC, and then project closure, extra step has been added. And then you have a time. So here marker -1 +1, it is always, I will tell you the reason why we need to have, because if we need to go zigzag, right? So -1 +1. Access should be 0. So this is what, and here I have also given the step also as well. So how to do it. So now I will delete this one. Let's replicate the same thing. So the select the data, go to insert, go to recommended chart. The second one you can select, right? Here what we need, we don't need any labels here, right? So we will get rid of all the labels now, right? One, we don't need this one, the access, we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need, and as well as this one. So all 5 things we have removed. But here, however, we need the data labels, right? So add the data labels. Here also you can add the data labels. Later we can replace with actual values. Okay. Now this marker line, what we have like zigzag line, this is also not required. Right click, format this one and go to data, no line you can give. So after that, this is very important step. From instead of the zigzag line, we're going to replace with marker line, right? So all you can do, you can just select the plus mark. Okay, plus mark on this, and you have error bar, right? Select on this. So while selecting it, make sure that you're not only middle value you have to select, you have to select the entire error bar, right? Double click on this. You will be able to go to the settings. 1 second, let me go here. So you can just select this error bar minus, and then you can give, this is a very important step, you can give 100 as a value. So you can see this, all the line has been drawn up, right? So now we can replace this value. So for example, this, we're going to select from the cell. The cell is this value. So this is, sorry, I have just replaced that one. So let's select the data range. This is the timeline. Okay, just select it. I'll keep it below. Okay. And we don't need zeros and all that. So we can get rid of that values. Okay. Now the next step, same step, we're going to do it. Right click, data one. And here from the data one, define, measure, analyze, we're going to select, and we don't need value. So this is done. So almost it is done. Now all you have to do is that you have to do slide formatting. So here the formatting, what we have to do, just keep it here. Example. So only the define, analyze, and so and then you have this timeline, right? So you can just do it. And overall chart, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna keep it like Arial font, and maybe I can give 11 as an example. Okay, and then so next step is that once it has been added, the marker will look good, right? So just double click on this, go to the data, and then you have marker, and inside the marker select build in, and here we can type like circle example, and I will keep it like 10, and fill, I will go to fill. This color I will change it to maybe green example. So you see that only one data I have selected, only one data label. So I'm going to do the same thing. Right click, entire data series, not only that, right? Come back to marker, and in the marker, just build in. Here I'm going to give a circle, and this should be 10, and the color I will change it to light green example. Now this has been done, right? So here a slight adjustment I need to do because it is overlapping it. And either we can, yeah, so only this is all okay. So the next one is that we need to add the title. So chart access title, sorry, chart title, just go here, equal to you can give, and then this is the timeline we have. So, okay, I hope you find it useful. This is how we can easily create it. So let's say we wanted to keep, the copy paste in somewhere in PPT and all that. All you have to do is that you have to give no fill, so that all the grid lines and all that will not be visible. So it will look very, very neat. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.